Hey everyone, so today we're going to take you around and do an update on the 3 plant containers we've done this season.
Yes, we are super excited because it's been raining here. It always rains around here a lot. So every time it rains, the plants just get so happy, you know, that good rainwater, and they just spruce up. So we want to know what's been going on with everybody else's container, how much the plants have been growing.
Yeah.
And also I think what's really nice to see is how they grow, not in our garden, in another place, you know, in other people's gardens, because everyone has different types of lightings.
Yeah.
You know, the sun, in different locations those containers are placed. So let's go ahead and let's get going and see what they're up to.
So we're gonna hop in the truck, take you guys along, and then we'll give you the update.
So we're here at the first location, and I already took a little peek, and I am loving the way the plants are looking. So come on, let's go in here and see what's going on. Look at them. So we started with these first, and I think with this is one of the last videos we did, right?
Yep.
On containers, and this is with the wicked coleus. Oh my goodness, they're gorgeous. And then I want to say this is blush pink.
Compact blush pink.
Sun patient, and then of course the verbena, the meteor shower verbena, and I'm seeing a lot of bees here. This family has a very, very pretty garden. And then here's the second container. Look at that. It is looking gorgeous. Beautiful.
So Angie is getting ready to fertilize these, as we've been doing the whole season for all these containers.
And kiddos were like, we need to recycle everything we can. So they've been saving all the, what are they, the juice and the milk jugs.
Just makes it easier to come out here and fill them up real quick.
So we're gonna do half of this. So I'm very happy because I'm already seeing a lot of little bees everywhere, and I know they love a lot of the flowers, and I just love to see that, a lot of colors. So I'm so happy, you know, to see them just looking so amazing right now. And now we're gonna go ahead and go to another location, and I'm just getting more excited all the time. How are you? What are you thinking?
I'm loving them. I'm loving the way they're looking great.
So next location, and wow, did the coleus love it here. So yeah, definitely gonna have to come back and give a little trimming to these containers. These are the containers with all the very colorful ones with the blue. How pretty are they, right? The only thing is that I can see that the lantana
That's the banana
is not blooming that much.
Yeah.
So I don't know, they should be getting enough sun, because if we see the cleomia right here, it's blooming. And this needs sun. It really needs a lot of sun, and it's taking well. It looks really pretty. So we're gonna come back and give this a trimming, so that way it can let the lantana, the coleus can let the lantana get more light in there. I think that's what it needs. But wow, I love this coleus, which is the strawberry drop.
Yeah.
That strawberry drop. It filled out completely. Okay, so we're going to also fertilize and then move on to the next home.
Okay guys, so we are at our third location. As you can see behind me, those pots are doing amazing. Angie's gonna go ahead and fertilize them first, and we'll talk about them a little bit.
Oh wow, these are gorgeous. Oh, the bees, how pretty is that? Oh wow, filling out pretty nice. On these, we went ahead and added these with their little pots, the Bordeaux. And the Bordeaux's looking amazing as well. So this combination right here is Wicked Coleus 2. And then we have Incredible Yellow, Sunflower, which branches out, is more for, you know, smaller areas, smaller containers. And then, oh my goodness, look at all the flowers that is forming. And then you have lemon coral sedum right here. Oh, that just looks so pretty on both sides, tucked in right there. And when I saw this put together, I told Ambrose it needs a little bit of pop of purple. I just needed to add the purple because they had already sent us the these containers, the bottom ones, and I just needed to put something in them. And look at that. So we're gonna fertilize these too. I forgot to bring the jug. But how pretty is that? And look at this. That's what we want to see, guys. Look at that. Plants for the pollinators. So this is a little peek of the last ones that we put together. It was a little late when we put them together, so the video's not out yet. So after this video, you'll be seeing how we, you know, the recipe for this one, how we did it. But they're looking so pretty already for such a short time. So this one, we went a little bit more simple, and I put a grass in there. And I always love to have grass. If you can already do a grass with a container, I think it's set for fall too, and it just looks so pretty and fresh. I love it. So this grass right here is Graceful Grasses Sky Rocket, and it's a variegated grass. Look at how pretty that is, and it's already getting that other color. It's like a reddish, purplish color. And then we have alyssum.
Dark Night Alyssum.
Dark Night Alyssum, and look how gorgeous that is. I just love this because of the little bees. They love it so much, and the scent is amazing. And then we have Sparkling Amethyst Verbena, which that's like one of my favorite verbenas right now. So they're doing amazing. And like I said, we will have the video up for these containers next. I think that will be the last one for the 3 plant containers. But we still wanted to show you all, you know, this one because I think it's just so pretty. It's so simple, but it still looks very pretty. So we're gonna fertilize them, and then we'll head to the last ones. So we're at the last house, and I literally like just wet my pants. Ambrose is making fun of me. We were pouring in for the water for the fertilizer, and I just got it all over me. So just being silly, guys. So I'm really excited for these too, because these are the ones with the really pretty colors too, the very girly color ones. So let's head up there and let's go ahead and show you. They're gorgeous. Look at how pretty they are. Oh my goodness. Wow. So that's the Angelonia, the pink Angelonia. I'm trying to look for the name because I forget the names.
Perfectly Pink.
There you go. Perfectly Pink. And then this is like Ambrose, one of Ambrose's favorites, Artist Blue. Wow. How gorgeous is that? So I need to smell this one. Oh, it does have a scent. Wow. It does smell. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty, guys. Sorry, I can't stop. But look at this. And then this is, was this the regular one?
Diamond Snow.
This is Diamond Snow.
I love Diamond Snow.
It's more compact,
yeah.
right?
I love that one because
Thicker?
it's more compact. Yep.
Fuller. Look at that.
See?
Doing amazing.
Yep, so you can definitely see which one gets a bit more sun.
Yeah.
You know, it's just how we did the containers to make sure that, you know, it's going to work in different locations. But, you know, next year we'll have a better idea if these people still want to participate. We have a better idea of what we could put here for the sunlight requirements.
I'm just so happy. It's just, they've just filled out. All the containers have been looking so pretty everywhere and just filled out, and that's what we wanted to see. So we'll be going ahead and doing another visit later in the week, and doing a little grooming with things like this one right here. Some of the, I don't even think it needs a grooming. It's just, it's just deadheading on its own. Well, okay, there's a little piece that's broken in there, but that's it. So we'll just go ahead and come back and, you know, do a little grooming here and there for everybody else. And right now I'm gonna go ahead and fertilize, and then we'll go ahead and talk a little bit about it. We are back.
Yep.
We are back home. So it was really, really fun. I think it was really exciting to see everybody else container. It just rained so much here.
Oh, I know. It was definitely exciting to see how they're doing and you know, how they're performing right now.
Even though, you know, when goes and fertilizes, after a week of rain.
Oh yeah, definitely after a week of rain. I mean, there was a lot more improvement.
Or a couple of days of rain.
In 1 week of rain, there was a lot more improvement than when we actually went and fertilized that one day. So it's exciting to see how much growth they're actually putting on.
So this is our first time doing this project, you know, with the community here, our neighborhood. So we're taking a lot about, you know, how to go about it if we do this project again in the future, maybe next year. You know, how to maybe select plants for certain homes, you know, of other homes. Like, for instance, you know, this time around we didn't get to go to the homes and before putting the containers together. We just put things together, and then, you know, we figured it out along the way. We didn't know at first how it was going to go.
So it's going to be exciting because these containers are in different locations in this area. So we get to kind of evaluate, you know, what side and what location the sun's going to be hitting in certain areas of these houses. So next year we have a better idea. Let's say somebody wants to do this and participate next year, and we kind of figure out where they live at, so we already kind of know how the sun's going to affect that area, and kind of like if they have a porch or not, what kind of shade they get.
So if this project grows more and there's, you know, new people coming into this project, then first thing we're gonna do is start it off super early, winter time, and go ahead and go to their homes. And study the lighting, ask them about the lighting, see what side of the home it is. That way we can have a better understanding.
And the personality as well, because that gives you a great idea of what plants to use, what colors to use, whether they like something colorful, something more foliage. And it's just exciting to get that input from them.
And that was a fun part. I do love to be able to have containers ready for people, but I also love when they actually get give us their own containers, because I can tell something about the person there, the personality with the containers. That just makes it so much fun.
Especially with like that blue container. You get the blue container, you know, colorful.
Well, you go to their home, and I think that's the fun part, going to their home and seeing, I don't know how the home is dressed out outside, or I don't know, you just get to see a little bit about them, and that just, for me, inspires me to create something for them and their family. So this was really fun.
Definitely a fun project to do. We're excited to continue doing this.
We still have our containers to show, but we will do that on a separate video because it's getting long, and we just wanted to show you everybody else's container, and we got some stuff going on here that we need to, you know, it's been raining, clean up and stuff.
All right, guys, so that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the update on these 3 plant containers, because it was definitely a fun project to be doing this year, and we hope to continue doing it next year. Again, that's going to do it, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
And remember, bloom where you are planted.